Hi, my name is Filipa and I'm from Portugal and I study marketing management at CPH Business. Finding a place to live in Copenhagen is quite difficult, as it requires a lot of time and effort. You will go from happiness to worry and despair in a short amount of time, but don't lose hope. On our accommodation guide, you can find all the information you need to find a good place to live. For now, here's a short summary. Apply for dorms as soon as possible. A lot of dorms you can find in Copenhagen are listed in a website called KKIK. You can increase your chances of getting into a dorm by applying to the ones away from the city center. Join Facebook groups to find accommodation. Remember to answer to the posts within the following hour, as the demand is quite high. Accommodation outside the city center is cheaper and easier to find. You can also take a look at Danish websites like DBA or Bolig Portal. Please be careful with scams. If it's too good to be true, it is probably not true. Remember to talk to people about your search, as you might be able to find a room through them. Lastly, consider in the first months to live in a temporary place until you find something permanent. Keep in mind that some landlords do not allow you to be registered on their address. This can be a problem, as you're not allowed to live in Denmark for more than 3 months without being registered. If you need a piece of advice, you can contact the CPH Business Study and Career Guidance at full degree at cphbusiness.dk. Held og lykke!